after you've cut it out on your Cricut, you want to fold along all of the score lines, and you can use a bone folder if you need to make them a little bit more defined, like this one here. Give that a little bit of pressure there. You just want to be gentle with folding. And then when it comes to an area like this, where it's a really small piece, just take your time. And then we're going to fold all of these in the middle and down the sides. And they're a little tricky, but if you just take your time and pinch them gently, you can get them to fold where you want it. Okay, and then just use your bone folder along those seams. Alright, so I have all of the score lines folded, and now is the time, if you want to layer the inside of your ornament so that it has tissue paper on the inside, now is the time that you want to do that, okay? I'm going to leave mine open, I think. Let's see, what do we think? Open or tissue paper? So if we hold it together like so, see what that looks like. It's going to hang. Yeah, I think I'm going to reinforce it with tissue paper. So let me get that and I'll be right back. So instead of making it with tissue paper lining, which it would look something like this, and you could put a light in it, I decided I didn't want mine to have a light, but I did want it to have some Renia foil behind it. So I marked it off, and now I'm just going to give it a cut along the lines. And I could use the green or the gold side, but I decided on the green. And just to double check, make sure if we lay it down there that everything is covered. Alright, and so then all we have to do is flip it over to add the glue. So it lines up like so, and just making sure I have it all in the right place. Okay, so now we'll just add some glue. So I'm going to give it a minute or two, and I will fold it up. Okay, so before I glue it shut, I have taken a piece of color coordinating twine, and I'm going to drop it in and glue it. Now, you would definitely want to glue it along this fold line if you were going to make yours light up. I'm not making mine light up, so I don't have to worry about that, but I'll still place it there so you can see. So we just want to get that right into that space right there so it doesn't get in the way of our lights if you were to line yours with tracing paper, rice paper, something like that. Alright, so then the next step is I'm going to glue along this line here. You could do both. The reason, once again, that this is cut out this way is that if you were to put a light inside yours, it doesn't bother with the light showing through this one side over here. So take your time, line it up first along this outer edge. Give it a few seconds to be tacky, and then once you have that, you can go inside and push down the other pieces. Okay, once you have that in place, you want to fold the tabs in, then the one with the tab. You can glue those if you want. If you're going to put a light in it, you want to do it at this point. And you could even cut a little slit, you know, for the switch on and off, and then you want to close that flap, and I haven't waited long enough for this to dry here. And there you go. That's what a finished one looks like. If you have any open places that are bowing like this, you can put a little glue along that area just to make sure it stays down. Those are those tabs. You may want to leave yours open if you're doing a light inside. Okay, but there you go. There is my hanging Christmas tree ornament.